Love your handmade belly dance outfits but feel like something is missing? Discover the 5 mistakes that could be making your costumes look cheap and how to fix them for a professional high-end finish. Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sparkly Belly. Today I'm going to walk you through some easy tweaks that will make your costumes look more polished, professional, and expensive. Let's get started. The first mistake is uneven outline. Such a common mistake for beginners, and I've made this mistake so many times myself. Anything uneven makes your costume look amateur, like uneven bra edges, uneven applique and embellishment outlines, and an uneven skirt hem. Uneven embellishment is a very common one. You can see on one of the first costumes I made here. What's going on here? This line with sequins kind of disappears and the intention of the designer is not clear at all. So the fix is really easy. For embellishments and appliques, make sure the shapes you're trying to create are crystal clear. For uneven bra edges, cover the bra cups neatly to create clean, polished edges, or if it's too difficult, hide the edges with embellishments that go over them so the uneven outline doesn't show. For uneven hem, I have a tutorial on how to create a beautiful even hem, so have a look at that. The second mistake is using only sequins to embellish your costumes. Embellishment takes a long time and it's tempting to use pre-strung sequins to add sparkles to your outfit. But these sequins tend to make your outfits look flat and unprofessional. Here's another one of my costumes. The top half of this pink bra was mainly covered with pre-strung sequins, and as you can see, it looks flat and cheap. It's not that you can't use pre-strung sequins, but think about layers of textures. Mixed textures like adding a layer of lace over lycra or a mixed chiffon, mixed beads and rhinestones and fringe. Mixing these elements creates more depth in your costume design and makes it look more sophisticated. The third mistake is wrinkled skirt. This is such an easy thing to fix, but I've seen professional dancers and costume stores showing wrinkled skirts. But look at the difference. The wrinkled skirt just doesn't look elegant and doesn't even flow and catch lights in the same way as the iron wrinkled free skirt. So make sure to iron or steam your skirt before your show. Your veil too. The fourth mistake is not enough decorations. This is a mistake that I made countless times and I still do because the balance between minimalism and I'm too tired to decorate anymore is so tricky. But normally you'll be performing meters away from people, so small and sparse decorations won't be visible. Look at my costumes again. I should have used more strands here so the design intentions are more clear. This bow is cute, but there's nothing connecting the bow with this plain belt base. Same here, heavier swag or mixing in larger beads here would have looked better. There's actually a beaded tassel on the belt, but you can't even see it. From far away, it's practically a plain red bedla. So the solution is, again, to mix textures. And if you tend to run out of steam as you decorate your outfit, try sequin fabric, embroidered fabric, lace fabric, or printed fabric. These fabric options will do half the work for you. Or you can also layer accessories. They really do a good job filling up those empty places on your body and complete your outfit from head to toe. And finally, ill-fitting outfits. Even if you have a $1,000 outfit, if it doesn't fit you well, you won't look great or professional. Same for handmade costumes. This one was a store-bought bedla. The fringe was too long for my body, and I fixed the bra and the belt, but they still weren't fitting perfectly. Compare this outfit with this one. This is fully handmade by me and fits me perfectly. And it looks more professional and expensive, doesn't it? Your bra should fit you well and give you support. Your belt should hug you nicely and not move around as you dance. And your skirt should be just the right length so you won't trip over the hem. And to me, this is the most important factor in creating costumes that make you feel beautiful and confident on stage. And if you need help with creating belly dance outfits that fit you well, check out Sparkly Belly's All Access membership. With All Access membership, you get instant access to all my courses, 19 and counting with over 32 designs. Customize each piece to your unique measurements and budget and create the perfect professional outfits for your style. Curious? Check the link in the description. So try adding these elements to the costumes you already have and have fun transforming them from homemade to high-end. And if you like this video, you might also enjoy this how to make an even hem tutorial, since this is the first step towards creating a professional looking costume. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!